How was y'all gold trade last night? How y'all do? Y'all take the TP too? Or y'all pull out? Missed it. Pulled out. Oh man. Missed the whole drop. Got the whole thing. Boom. Yeah, we got all that. Sitting lovely right now on Go Sitting Lovely. Gold and on NZD USD. Yeah, I put that out right after the call too. That was the kicker right there. Alright, so let's see. Let's see what they're gonna do for us. We got GP news happening in about pretty soon. Happening pretty soon. We need to make sure what time it happens so we don't get stuck in it. We want to go the right way. So hold on. We're gonna get some of this. So I pull it out. It happens. It's all about psychology. What type of trader you are. Me, I can sleep on it. You'll get used to it. I just can't sleep on USDZR. That's all. Everything else I can sleep on. Alright, so GP happened. They're gonna have late reaction probably. CHF happened. So this pair right here. See what they do. And Euros happening in the next 20 minutes. Alright. We should make some money off this then. We got possible BTS. G Chef, possible BTS. See if they complete this in 12 minutes. They got news in 22, so they might follow us with news. Let's see how far we are. Wow, we got enough room for it. Got enough room for it. Perfect. All right, G Chef. Let's let them close. Let's let them close. Let's let them close. And we're gonna have to get some room for this. Boom. The spread's pretty high today. Boom. Let's see what they do. Let's give them that much. Let's give them that much. All right, we got 12 minutes. Let this candle close. It's all about candle closure right now. They give you a nice poke to the high. Say, hey, we might want to correct. They do for a correction too. That's our time frames. Yeah, they do for a correction. Let's let them open up for a little bit. Let's see what happens. Let them open up. Let's see something fast. What is this? Let's give them a few seconds. Oh lordy, gold gonna drop. We got 24-hour sauce up in this piece. Higher time frame. Get an 8-hour BTS. Oh boy. Oh boy. We'll see what's up. Dang. All right. Well, let's see what they do. That's the entry right there. So what's today? Thursday. That means we've got until this time tomorrow to be in profit. So a whole lot can happen between now and tomorrow with gold. That's a long time. That's a long time. This is a good move though. Yeah, this is a good move. This might be a move. I might take it. Pull back. Wow. If it pulled back to this aqua, that'd be nice. Let me see if it pulls back to this aqua. If it pulls back to this aqua, I'll take this straight for the 24-hour sauce. And I'll put my stop loss at 18, we'll say 50. Yeah, I'll put 18.50. Yep, I'll do that. Still got a 1 and 3. Let's see if it pulls up to 18.34. Let's see if it pulls up there or close to it. If it can get up to, let's say 18. Yeah, if it gets to 18.34, I'll take it. See what they do. All right, let's go to G Chef. G Chef might be the trade. All right, 8 minutes. So G Chef got 8 minutes. Cool. I'll see if gold pulls 1832, 1834. If it do, I'm gonna take it. All right, let that 7 minutes. So 3:45. All right. 3:45. They vectored real low. Awesome. Boom. Vectored low. See if they can come down here though. Trap some more. Wow. Nice. Alright, GJ vectored nice. Nice one. We got news coming in 22 minutes. Let's see what happens. I just did a sell limit. Yeah. I mean, I'm gonna take it. I just want to. Oh, there it goes, pulling back. So I just want to see if it'll get to 1934. If it can hit 1934, man, that's a good entry. I'll take that for 24 hours, 24-hour trade. Put a little something and let it ride. All right. They shifted out of that A range quick, man. Came out of there quick. Right at midnight. GJ and I'm assuming UJ did it too. They both did it. And CHFJPY. They all did it. That means AJ did it too. And EJ. Alright, all the M pairs vectored. Which one do we want? This low right here. Alright, we're gonna have to wait for a minute. Alright, that's the move. The crazy thing about this is it's exactly where it's going back to. This is exactly where it's going back to, this 200 pip move. It's where it came from. It's exactly where it came from. First push, second push, third push. Yeah, it's gonna go. This can go today. 284 pips. All right, let's see GJ. We'll let it pull back here before we take it. Let it pull back here for the sell, which means they should vector up for at least 40, 50 pips. Let's see. Yeah, they should at least vector at least 40, 50 pips. Just got, wait a minute. AJ? Yeah. You was in a sell? They just dropped, but we got 20 minutes until they got some news, but we're still gonna play this BTS. I'm just waiting for the candle to close because I don't want to get in the wicks. But it's taking away my pips to get into this white line. Oh no, we're good. All right, 3 minutes. Guys, don't risk an arm and a leg on this. Let it. It's going to pull. Give us a PBIC. Dang, man. Hope they don't go one shot. Hope they don't go one shot. You gotta be kidding me. Already going half the distance. Come on. Gotta be kidding me. Come on, man. Come on. Pull on back. Light this bitch up. They're gonna really go half the distance. That's because the news is happening. They got it in 12 minutes. That's okay. This is what I wanted to happen here. This is what I wanted us to be in this. But they go on the distance. But I needed the camera to close because if this thing wicks, we get trapped. We can't be getting trapped. No one news is about to come out, but they're already going the distance. Let's see what they did on a higher time frame. Coming back here. Euro had news already, and JPY don't have news. Okay. So what did Euro do? What did Euro do? Looks like they had some spiked, spiking. Dang it, man! I really need that candle. That was our candle. It took away our BTS. A little took it away. Literally took it away. Can't even get in it because the distance is no longer 30. Which means they can trap them up here. They vector to the high, and they can drop, which is real high. And they're literally coming like the full distance too. Alright, whatever. We'll get off that one then. I'm not gonna let us get in. Alright, EJ and GJ. What other pairs y'all in? We don't want that. We don't want that trade. We don't want that. We don't want that one. It's too far. It's too far. They went too far. GJ, how far did you go? Y'all anything else? I got y'all flatline. They might range out. Crap. Alright, pull on back, DJ. Pull on back. EJ2. Flat? Yeah. I took gold at till 1820. I'm flat right now. I just need 2 trades for London. I'm good. 2 good trades for London. Good to go. 60 to 100 pips each. Good to go. All right. Let's see. Euro JPY. Gonna do Euro JPY, guys. Gonna take Euro JPY. All right. We got this high here. They've already came down here further in this time frame. Going to target that EMA. That's 70. That's about right. So do this about right. So use your proper risk on this. It's going to be a little longer. It's going to be a little longer. First TP is going to be 132. Just do 50. 135, 199. 135, 199. Second TP. $134,316. But still got 2 days left in the trading day, so we got today and tomorrow. They're gonna give you today and tomorrow. 34,325. $166. Alright, that's EJ. Let that leave your stop loss exactly where it's at, as out of the reach of this high. Just out of the reach of the high here. All right, and gold. So EJ, that's the stop loss TPs for that. First one's gonna be 50 pips. First TP 50 pips. All right, second one's about 80. This was all the way about to 150 down here. All right, so pulling back here, taking some back to this move right here. We got today and we have tomorrow. But today it should go at least get 50. Just see where we at. We are, yeah, we're about 85 pips from our Tuesday's A range, yesterday's A range. So it's a little while. They pushed pretty good. They pushed here pretty good. Let's see, they pushed pretty good on the A range. Like, this is a lot. 175 pips in the A range. They pushed about 90 last night probably on this. Yeah, it's a lot. That's a whole lot. All right, gold. I'm gonna do gold for the 8-hour sauce. So I'm gonna get on gold. I'm gonna take it now. Don't go crazy on it. But I got an MES here, on a BTS here, higher time frame. I'm gonna make this stop loss 1850. This is the higher time frame, so you're gonna have to use proper risk on it. But this is it's a long shot to refill this candle. It's a long way. Let's do 51. Let's give them 50. Let's give them 51. Just in case they spike, right? Let's give them 51. All right, and then perfect. Too easy. 51. All right, that's my gold trade, guys, that I have right now. Can it take off? Yeah, it can take off. I'm not worried about it. They pinned them down here, but I do see a wick fill down here. They killed this over here. So, yeah, definitely see some rejection here, but I do see them in the correction zone. This thing is different right now. It's definitely different. And they got this nasty move that happened back here, 1965, and they haven't taken it out yet for a little while. And our daily right here. This daily right there. Not liking that. Not liking that for a not liking this. Not liking that move right there. So that's why I'm picking that BTS. Because it still can feel this. It still can feel that candle. That daily candle. Still feel it. Definitely not feeling that. But whatever, news is news. News is news. I'm gonna trade what I see. That's why the stop loss is 1951, and I'll keep it there. If it does that, it'll just close over that. Just exit the trade. That'll be a daily time frame collapse, and that'll be a daily time frame super. Just exit the trade and go with the flow. That's it. Daily time frame collapse and daily time frame super. But right now, all the buys. You could do some buys like 45 around there. Get close to it, 1950s. But it's risky. It's definitely risky. The pullback is real. Pullback is real. But news is news, right? So, but that's what I see on it. Use proper risk. All right. Use proper risk on that. That's my gold trade. I'll even put it out here in the chat as well. There you go. All right, so we not in profit by 1, 2, 3 candles. That's 8, 16, 24. All right, so 24 hours. All right, 24 hours. We're not in profit. That means by this time tomorrow, if you're not in profit, you exit the trade. If you are in profit, you hit those TPs and you feel good, take it all the way. But you gotta be in profit. So if you hanging up here, you like right here and like here all day, and it is hanging you all day. Well, guess what? We still got till 3 in the morning next day. All right, NFP day. If we're not in profit by 3:30, 4 o'clock area, boom. If ain't not doing that, you know, we gotta get out. That's all. So it's supposed to be up here, you know. It's gonna give you that lower time frame noise, and when it does that, and they drop and news hits or something stupid crap, some Putin does something stupid, and they do this, we're in profit. So we'll keep it there. That daily time frame shift though, I don't like. So I'm just not really comfortable getting to a buy right now. Not on that. Not seeing a daily. Because if you get into this buy like something like this, so it's this 4 hour. All right, so you get into, say you get into a buy, you get into the middle of this candle. So if you get into the middle of this candle and this thing draws down, EJ looks good, right? EJ's a good guy. Yeah, EJ's good. All right. So we get to the candle, and it goes in profit, and all of a sudden it draws down and it wicks. Now we're almost 100, gonna be 100 pips in drawdown for no reason. We got to the middle of this candle. Right now it's forming MES. It is forming MES, but all things can fail. We know. Gotta go. I'm going by a higher time frame. I'm going by this time frame. I'm gonna play it off that because it could come up here, complete that MES, hit the aqua, and then just form another bearish candle, and they just take on down. So you guys see what they'll do in the higher time frames right now. They're kicking butt. They trapping everybody. They trapping everybody. I don't got time to be trapped, so I'm using my stop losses. All right, EJ looks good. All right, did G-Chef already go to distance on us? I think it did. Did G-Chef go to distance? It did. That's okay. Yeah, it went to distance on it. So it took away our BTS. It took away from us. Do we have it on a 30-minute? Nope. We do not. So it looks like Euro is about 40-something seconds away from news again. But they got, it's not nothing crazy, so. Nothing crazy. Alright, so we can't take that one. So GJ. GJ. Nope. Can't get in that one either. Not yet. We can get up here though. We can get up here. So we got a nice pullback. So we can get up here on GJ. I just don't like this. I want GJ to pull back more. When you have GBP pairs, they have a 50 pip pullback. And this candle is just, we have to wait for the closure of this candle. So there it goes now. So this thing is pulled back. What's this to entry? About 30-40 pips. So it's not bad. If we can get the pull back another 30 pips, that's a good entry. It's a better entry. If we can get it pulled back just a little bit on this. Just a little bit. You want to get the best entry, guys. Best entry today. Today's news and tomorrow's going to be hectic. o'clock, so they should be throwing some sauce by now. Should be throwing some sauce. They're pouring. They're pouring. They're pouring. These Euro pairs is getting it, man. These Euro pairs is getting it. They getting all types of destroyed. Your GDP, Euro chef. All right, what you gonna do, EJ? What you gonna do? You the only one. You the only one. You the only one. Wanna act different on us? Cool, we got a nice quarter wood up here. Looks good. Vector it high. Wait for our move. They pinned him up here, which is nice. 4 hour 50 bounce. Close to it. Close to it. So I got up this morning to get the moves, so that way we can stay in them, while everything's happening between now and 7 a.m., 8 a.m., so we can get those nice moves. But they kind of stalling on us right now. I don't really want to play them at, say, the next 4 hours. Definitely don't want to play anything next 4 hours. Got too much U.S. news. The Fed speech, everything. The next 4 hours is way too much news. Way too much going on. All right, Euro USD is dripping there. EJ, let's see high time for EJ. Yeah, we should be good on EJ. Should be pretty good on that. Yeah, we should be good on this. This should pull out a little bit. Yeah, we should be pretty good on this. Oh yeah, definitely be good on EJ. Let that one ride for a minute. Gold, let that one ride. Let's see what GU and AUD USD is gonna do. Let's go with AUD USD. AJ, yeah. AUD USD. Good. Hit those Tuesdays lows. Low of the week. That's the high of the week. So today, Thursday. I don't think they'll drop to the low of the week, but it is Fed speech day, right? It is Fed speech. Bow, bow. Perfecto. Boom, boom, boom. Let's see what they do. Come down. All right, let's see what they do. All right. AUD USD.
Dark side, light this bitch up.
All right, guys, we're gonna take this off the 50-50 bounce. We'll see if they give us 50-50 bounce on this. Do first TP 50 pips. Let's get this. Let's get this. We're not gonna sell ourselves short. All right, that's the first TP. Actually, no, you can do first TP. Do first TP there. That's fine. How it was? What's this? 100 pips. So 75 to 35. Let's take TP at the first target EMA. 74, 692. Let's do that. Let's get the money. And then take it to the house. All right, yeah, that's the. We're gonna try to get that 50 bounce. So let's see if they, when news hits today, they can come up here, hit us in profit. Come on down. See what they'll do. That pullback is what, 30? I think 25 pips. Less than that, 20 pips. So they can pull back 20 pips, can't they? They can come down, vector, give you first leg, second leg, come up there, hit us some profit. Maybe like 5 to 10 pip drawdown before they exhaust to pull back. So do something like this for us. Vector down, first leg, come down, do it again, pull up here, don't break that A range high, and then pull, something around there, depending on what the Fed news do. See that Fed news be like. All right, it's ADUSD, and let's, what we say, GU, G to the U. Looks like they're just gonna give us a nice clean move down. Looks like it. What's the A range looking like? Yeah, they're just gonna give us a clean move down. A range looking pretty good. They're gonna give us a clean move down. So if you trade in GU, you got a clean move. A clean move straight down. Yeah, you got a clean move down, yep. Yeah, about there, yep. Clean move down. 1, 2, 3, solid 4 candles. Railroad tracks and everything. Good, you got solid right there. This might be a good one. If we can catch this one. They give us this. They give us this, that'd be nice. Let's see if they give it to us. We got 3 minutes. Hold on, let me see something. They're gonna pull back. They're gonna pull back. That's okay. They'll give us probably the next 15. The next 15 minutes, they'll probably give it to us. Or next 30 minutes, they'll probably do this one and the next one. See if they really give it to us. Like EJ keep stalling, huh? EJ keep coming in profit in and out. They don't wanna drop. Not yet, they don't wanna drop yet. Yesterday it was, I'm gonna lie, yesterday it was I was like, you know, I'm gonna go flat. And then I went flat, I was like, oh, there's gold. And I took gold 1920. And I woke up with no trades. I was like, oh, I hope this thing hit TP because I didn't see any trades. I said, oh man, I hope this thing hit TP. Cause I was like, I put a good penny on it on this one. I was like, I'm good. I took the first TP, it was like 1925 before I went to sleep. Or I went to like 1927. I took somebody at 1927. I was like, all right, if I can get to 1920, at least get the nice TP there. That's a nice one. And it went. I was like, perfect. Then it shot right back up 1930. Dang, took off. All right, we got 2 minutes. See what they do here. We need them to collapse. They already trapped him. They trapped him up there. They pinned him up here to his EMA. They trapped him already. Let's see what they do. We can't get in until they solidify our entry. Just the way it is. When they solidify the entry, you can get in. So if they don't solidify it, you can't get in. So we gotta wait on that. We'll keep that markup though. G Chef really took off on us. That's right though. Man, that was the move, guys. This is the move I was looking for. Dang. But I didn't want to get in on the BTS. I had to follow my rules. I was going to get on the 5 minute and go real aggressive. But the news was hitting at the same time I was about to get in. And I did not want to get stuck. But it took off. It definitely took off. Thing took right off. 30 pips. Easy peasy too. Alright, GJ. Did you pull back yet? Nope. Getting there. It's getting there. I'll probably wait for this candle to close before I call GJ. So when this candle closes, and then I'll call GJ out. I need this to close because it could fill this right here. So I need that to close. So I'll hang tight on that. Look at GA. Got some rejection coming. They hitting high. Good deal. All right, we see where they're going. Don't let them trap you. It's still early, guys, so we're literally watching these vectors being made right now. This is what we used to do like way back. We used to literally trade this morning and like watch the vectors being made and then just try to crush every second leg. So they really setting up right now. They're really setting up. And they could push high. Let them push high. If they push them up here and they pin them right there, just let them pin them. Let them pin. So keep taking note of the GN. GN. Nope, not GJ. GJ vector down. They vector pretty good down. They pinned them down here. That's why I'm waiting for this candle to close. GU. All right, here we go. All right, one more candle. All right, we got 15 minutes on this. We got boom, boom. Could probably get on there. How far are we? What's this? 20 pips. It's 20 pips. We're gonna take it. We're gonna stick to 15 on this one, just because we're in the middle of their news time. Literally in the middle of their news time. Yeah, literally in the middle of news time. If you took gold, you're looking pretty good. It's coming down towards some TPs, pretty good. All right, GU. All right, when this hits in about the next candle, when that candle closes, we're good to go. I don't want to get in too early on this one, just because it's GBP. I was going to go real aggressive on this one, but just because it's GBP, and they kind of just hung them up here, which is good, but it ain't good. It's good, but it ain't good enough. It ain't good enough. Now, if they came a little further, that'd be nice. That'd be a nice pen, because they trapped some money up here, constituting this high right here. But I'm gonna let them close this candle. When this candle closes, then I'll get in. That'll be a good entry, and that'll take us a good 30 pips, 30 pips down, so we can get 50 pips. 50 pip move. Possibly down here. Let's see. We want to sell this stuff short. Why not? Why not? We're already gonna lose some ground because of this candle here. Alright. So I need this right here, guys. So when we're looking at these pairs, I need this. We need this right here to really let us know. Right now, you can get in a trade. Alright, there's an advanced entry here you can get in. But I'm not taking that advanced entry just because it got some news right now. And I don't need to pull back on us. So I'm trying to take these entries, not conservative, but I'm trying to take the best entry that's going to lead us into the New York sessions with at least 50 to 60 pip moves while we're already in profit, so that when the news do hit, they're gonna push you in that direction, because they're gonna start stop hunting and hitting those swing traders, and they're gonna start hitting everybody's pendings and all that stuff. So when GU drop, everybody's got a pending down here. Like, they all have this right. They have this setup. Everybody has this setup right now in GU, no doubt. Everybody's got this setup right here. Boom, right here. Nice mini stop loss. And they're looking to come up. They think, oh, the feds are going to say something, and they're not wrong. Looking to come all the way back up here. That's their setup. So why not drop, take the money down here, hit these pendings, or sorry, come down here, 50, 60 pips, and then once the feds start speaking at 8 o'clock, pull all the way down, hit those stop hunts, hit those pendings, activate them. All right, activate them, and then put them in profit, and then drop and take them out, and go back in their way. I mean, that's what they're gonna do. That's all they're gonna do. We watch it all the time. Push down, hang them, push down, news hits, all that stuff. News hits, all that stuff. Yep, that's all it does. Alright, we got 9 minutes on this, so I do want to take this trade on GJ. I am going to take the trade on GJ once they close this candle. Alright, once they close this candle, we're going to get in on this. But we need this candle to close. So once they close, we're good to go. When they close this, we're good to go. So if you ever see this move right here, this right here, so hold on, let's see if I can zoom in. When they hit the vectors, right? And they have 1, 2, 3 right here, or 1, 2, these nice bullish and bearish candles right here. That's called a cord of wood, CLW, cord of wood right here. So when they have this is a railroad track. This is what I'm talking about when I say railroad tracks. Yeah, they come out of here and they'll try to make some railroad tracks, you know, out of here. But this is what a railroad track looks like. So when they hit these railroad tracks, this is an entry. These railroad tracks are entries. Like this candle, Good railroad tracks. This is a good railroad track. What I mean is you can draw a line through them and it looks like a railroad tracks. That's what the railroad tracks are. Those are solidifying our entries. That's what's creating those M's and W's. 1, 2, 3, 4 candles. These 4 candles is what really makes an M and W. Alright? This is the true M right here. This is the true M right here. Bullish, pull down, bearish, bullish, pull back up. That's the true M. First leg, second leg. Alright, that's the true move right there. That's the true M and W. When you see 4 candles like that, that's the actual M and W. Alright, now when you see candles like this, forming those railroad tracks, that's called the quarter wood. So 1, 2, 3, these candles right here, 1, 2, 3, that's a quarter wood. This pattern right here, when it ends on this, or if it ends on this right here, if it's let's say it's ends on this bearish, that's going to be a drop. That's going to be a complete, that's going to give you that market structure shift. If it ends on that bearish candle, or sorry, that bullish candle, they're going to take off the other side. It's going to be the opposite. They're going to go to the upside. So if you see this pattern and you see the railroad tracks, all right, you make sure you're paying attention to what the EMAs are doing, because they're going to take off. Right now, this is a good M right here. Like, I can't even be mad at this loss. This is like perfect. This is a textbook right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 candles actually makes an M. 4 candles actually makes a W as well. But sometimes they give you that funky looking M and W, so we got to take them. But that's the true M and W right there. Gold looking good. Gold looking good. That's what I'm talking about. Come on and drop. I need GU to drop a little bit more. Alright, we got 6 minutes on this. This is going to be our move here, guys. It's going to be our move. They trapped them up here, so if they hit, because if they trap them, guess what happens? If you want to look at market structure, if they hit up there, guess what happens? We get taken out because, you know, this is the break structure right here. If you want to play institutional area, break a structure. All right, they pull down A range, break a structure. All right. So they break this. Obviously, we know that it's going to our TP. We know it's going to TP. That thing's gone. It breaks this. The thing's gone. All right. If it hits hits this A range and breaks out here, lets Timmy Johnson out, then it's gonna take off the other way. Just the way it is. It wasn't meant to be. All right. But being that it has what we need, our entry, we're gonna take it. We're gonna take it. But if you need to be conservative, you want to wait. And if you were really just waiting, and this is gonna be higher time frame too. If you're waiting higher time frame as well, that's the higher time frame wait right here. So higher time frame, this is a good wait. But like us, we got 7 entries. We got 6 sauce and the shifts. We don't gotta wait that long. We got an MES forming right here. By time we in profit, all right, 1, 2, 3, we be in profit. The regular institutional traders, they're just getting in. They just getting in down here. We already 60 pips in profit, and they're just getting in. So that's just how it is. That's why we trade so fast. I can't wait 60 pips. Not when I'm looking at it. The form. Looking at 60 pips form. That's like, you know, you can't do that. You can't watch it form and then not take it, right? That's just foolish. All right, 4.5 minutes, and then we can get a good stop loss. We can get a true stop loss. When they close, they probably pull back just a little bit, and then we can get in. It'll be a pretty quick entry. It'll pull back just a little bit. They blew that A range though. They blew it out, then they blew it out. Nope, they kept in there, so that's good. All right, so let's check it. They went 34 in the A range. 34 in the A range. All right, and they go 50. Did they go 20 out here? So they went 34 in the A range, and they vectored up 4. That's 38. All right, so they got to come down. Yeah, they're gonna come down here. They got 50 pips. They got another 50. Well, they got another like 16, 17 pips to come up here, but they're not right now. All signs are saying down, but they didn't go down. So maybe they'll give us those 16, 17 pips when we get to this entry. So what do we sacrifice? From here to this entry is 20 pips. All right, so first push. GU goes 120. So first push is 40. We'll see if we're right. 40. All right, second push. So it's 40. So we sacrifice 20. So sorry, we can get 20 first. We know we can get 20. And then we know they got another 40. First push. Second push. We're gonna be on there. We're gonna be on the money. We're gonna be on the money. We might be on the money with the ADR. We sacrifice 20 from here to here. We know they can go 20. All right, so that's the 40 push. And another 40. We can get that next push. 40. First push. Pull back. Second push. So we know we can get at least that full amount. We can get close to that 80. We can get close to 80 pips on this move. So let's see if we can get it. We're sacrificing about 20. All right, 150 left. Let this close, and then we're gonna hop on. I'm hopping on in on this one. I'll get the true stop loss on this. Might pull it back just a little bit. We might pull this TP down some because they got news today, so I ain't gonna sell it short. Definitely not selling it short. This low way down here too. Yeah. This is it's a long boy. All right, we'll do GU. We got EJ going, which is fine. EJ's fine, hanging out. Gold is good, looking good. We're gonna get GU, and I think we can hold on to those for now. We won't do too much on the MT4. We just let them do what they're gonna do. All right, we got 43 seconds. Come on, candle close. Don't drip on us. We're gonna take our TP push away, like G Chef did. Anybody take gold today or yesterday, or take the Nash trade or the NZD USD trade yesterday? Everybody said, "Nah, I'm going flat." They said, "Nah, I'm going flat. I'm listening to this one." Nice. Yeah, they went pretty good. They did pretty good. NZD went pretty good. It still was rolling. All right, guys. I am selling GBP USD right now. All right, GBP USD is sold. All right, so let's see where I'm at. Let's get a true stop loss. Oops. All right. See. All right, true stop loss on this. All right, let's see. Let's zoom in. Let's find this wick. They stuck him up here. There we go. Timmy Johnson, you got stuck, homie. Sorry, man. Hope they don't come back and let you out. I'm trying to get paid. All right. GP has a spread of. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. About good. So let's bring it. See how far we are. Alright, let's bring it to 35, which should bring us to this candle up here. Perfect. Let's go to this candle right here. Just so they're gonna give us some news. Nice tight stop loss too, man. This is tight. It's real tight. This is 35. This is real tight. We're gonna keep it that way. We're not out to be losing. You know what I mean? We out there to get this nice entry. I'm just using this so we can get that wick factor. Just in case they do something like this on us, they go whoop, like this. You know what I'm saying? They go bow and miss us. Something stupid like that. You know how they do. Alright, so we got that going. So our stop loss. Alright, so it's TP. Let's get the true TP. Alright, how much do we sacrifice? Here our entry. Sacrifice 20, so we're good. So nobody knows that they can go 20. So let's get 20. Alright, that's first push. Second push, another 20. Third push not guaranteed, but guess what? New York session has a reversal, so we're gonna say yeah, we're gonna go for it. All right, so TP or stop loss. Alright, SGU. Use power risk on all these trades. Alright. Boom. Alright, there you go. There she go. That's what we got. So the first 20. I mean, this thing can go an easy 50 pips. Easy. This thing can go easy 50 pips. This thing can go easy 50 pips. Man, yeah, we're looking good. Gold's looking good too, guys. They're all looking good. So EJ, GJ, Gold. I mean, like I said, if you feel like you're getting scared, look, take some money, all right, and watch your analysis. Watch the analysis play out. That's all you can do. If you got, say, track your money. So if you got a point, if you got $5, you got $7, a lot size on it. All right, just take like, 50% of it and watch the rest of it go. If you really need to work on your psychology, or you know what I mean. That's what you gotta do. That's how you do it. Sometimes you gotta let this, like this trade could be a long, like this is a 2-hour trade right here. That's why we're riding this to New York session. This is really a 2-hour trade, but we gotta be in profit within like 2 hours. We're not in profit in 2 hours, gonna range out on this, all right? But we have a set. We have a set to forget it right now. Like they have news coming, so right now set your stop loss, it's a TP. But really, ideally, this is a 2-hour trade. It's a 2-hour trade right here. EJ's a 2-hour trade. Gold's 24 hours. That's gonna be a while, but it's looking good right now. It's hitting TPs. So, like I said, you just have to, relax your mind. Don't look too much. Just set your stop loss at TP. Come back when you know you're supposed to be in profit. Other than that, how's everybody looking? Everybody looking good? Trades look good? Everybody enter right? You should definitely be positive on the, I'm gonna say blue, but you should be positive on these trades right now before we get off. This should be positive. So If you're not, you probably just enter late. And stuff like gold, I mean, look, if you gotta take it, you not feel comfortable with it, hey, take it. It's okay. I mean, it's dropped pretty good. It dropped a good ways, you know. It dropped a good 30 pips already. Like the other ones, you're gonna have to let them sit for a minute, like EJ and GU. And when AUD USD hits, you're gonna have to let them sit for a minute because they're just gonna move. They're gonna move a little slower right now. But GU, I mean, as soon as they open up that 5 o'clock or that kill zone. As soon as they hit that kill zone, they can just pour. They can just go ahead and pour. Same thing with EJ. They can just pour. Euro had news, and everybody else poured except for EJ. So, I mean, EJ's been flirting around. Same thing with GBP JPY. They had news too. They had news too. But Euro's got some more news coming out in like literally 20 minutes. They got unemployment rates. They got inflation. Yeah, they got like 3 red folders, followed by four in 2 hours. So I mean, they got some news. So yeah, EJ gonna go. It could go in our favor. Be rolling. Well, it's going in our favor now, but it could be rolling. But other than that, guys, get some sleep. I'm gonna end it on that hour. All right, we got GU, EJ, we got some gold. So and you got AUD pending. So you got good 3 trades. All right, you don't gotta take everything. Take what you like, but I took them all, so I'm playing them out. Again, take your money as you see fit. So I know everybody's account's different. So take what you like. Some people only need about 20 pips to be done for the day. That's the way it is. Some of y'all are probably close to 1% right now. All right, but we look pretty good, so we're not gonna babysit them. All right, definitely set your stop loss, set your TPs. All right, make sure you're good to go. Other than that, you got any questions? If not, follow your vibe. Vibe looks good. Take those trades, kill them. I'll see y'all later today for NFP tonight for NFP. We're doing NFP prep. I usually do NFP prep by myself, so I'm gonna show y'all how I do an NFP prep, and we're gonna do an NFP prep tonight for NFP day. In case you guys want to trade NFP day, people love to trade NFP day, which is okay, but I'm gonna show you what I do to prepare for my pair gold. I'm gonna show you exactly what I do. I'm gonna show you exactly why I kill NFP day on my same pair over and over, and why I just trade the same pair over and over on NFP day. I'm gonna just show y'all what I do, so that way you guys have an idea of how to actually trade NFP day. You know, I'm gonna give you the actual times to trade it, and you guys don't get caught in the market, really. So I'll see y'all tonight, 8 p.m. Eastern, NFP day prep, and then we're gonna get to the bag tomorrow as well. You know I'm throwing out gold. You already know I'm throwing out gold. You know gold gonna do something stupid. Other than that, take your profits as you see them. All right, if you need to close out, hey, you need to close out before you go to bed, it's on you. Other than that, relax, take your money, go to sleep. You made money today. You ain't gotta hold. You gotta hold another week next week. You got more trades coming out. Guess what? Vibe gonna send out 600 more trades. So don't worry about it. All right, I'll see y'all later. Y'all enjoy your day.